Yeah, sorry about this. I'm just a little bit peckish.
That's all right. Yeah, no problem. It's your first time for a drive-thru, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a good experience if you're coming through this on your own.
I've managed to do it.
Hi, are you ordering with the McDonald's drive-thru?
No.
Okay, what would you like to order?
Can I get a large Big Mac meal, please, with fries and a Galaxy Caramel Hot Chocolate?
Is that everything?
Yeah. Could I also get the chicken chicken select share box that you do?
Yeah.
Could I get for the dips? Can I get sweet and sour, sweet chili, sweet curry, I think, and smoky barbecue?
Wait, which one did you want? Did you want the
everything?
selects or the share box?
And then also, could I also get Terry's McFlurry, please?
Yeah.
And do you want anything? I'm paying for it, by the way.
Anything else?
Yeah, just give me 1 second.
You don't want the 9 chicken selects, you just want the chicken share box that comes with the nuggets, don't you? They put the wrong one on there.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, could I swap out the 9 chicken selects for
It's just the chicken share box with the
for
nuggets.
the chicken share? Could I change the 9 chicken select share box to the ones with the nuggets as well, please?
Okay.
Yeah, that's the one. Perfect, thanks. And then, yeah, do you want anything? I'm paying for it.
Everything.
And then,
Just one more thing, sorry.
I'll get a chocolate milkshake if that's okay.
And then, yeah, can I just get a large chocolate milkshake, please?
A large chocolate. We don't have chocolate right now. We have strawberry, banana, and the fruit.
Do you want anything else instead?
Which one do you think?
I say you get a McFlurry. They're quite good. Yeah, can I get another Terry's chocolate McFlurry?
Okay, so you don't want the milkshake anymore?
No, I'll just get another Terry's chocolate McFlurry instead.
Okay.
Yeah, try that. It's quite good.
I'm happy with that.
Yeah, cheers. Thank you, love.
Yeah, why not? If you're paying, mate, if you're paying.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Yeah, I noticed that they put the selects, but you said you wanted the nuggets, didn't you? Yeah, they put the wrong one. Don't worry, I got your back, bro.
Thanks. It's difficult
I'm trying to earn my free McFlurry. How you find the drive-thru?
It's a bit difficult, if I'm going to be honest. It's a lot of tight corners.
It's quite long, isn't it?
Yeah. You know how, because I'm going to have to use my phone to pay here, do I have to switch off the engine?
You should put it in park, yeah.
Park, okay.
If you're going to use your phone to pay, definitely.
It's £22.66. Special card?
Card, please.
Card?
Yeah. You're... Wait, is the card declined?
Yeah. Do you have a physical card?
Nah, you're off.
I got you, you, don't worry, bro.
I already pay you enough for the lessons anyway, so...
Yeah, sure. Just tap that one.
Cheers. Thanks for that. It's only £22, it's not a lot.
Yeah, it's alright.
Cheers. I mean, I'll pay you, what, like £35 an hour?
Yeah, so. Yeah. Don't worry about it, I guess.
I mean,
you'll just pay me back.
Yeah. So at some point, yeah, I will, yeah. At least I got some free food.
Yeah, that McFlurry doesn't taste so good now, does it? It's not so free. That's a bad first experience, isn't it? Your card declining on your first
I know,
trip.
but think about it now. At least my family's eating good.
Your family?
Yeah, because I bring it after the lesson. I've asked you to drive the way back home so I can start eating my food. And then
so you're eating good, not your family?
Well, yeah. And then I've got the share box for my mum.
Oh, okay. You can tell your mum that I bought her it.
Oh no, I don't need to. I'll tell her I got it because she already sent me some money over. Cheers, love. Thank you. Yeah, you're also gonna have to hold that as well.
Excuse me, we're gonna back up front, please.
Yeah, no worries.